Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML input types, and right now we will be discussing about the HTML input type of time. The HTML input type of time allows the user to select a time, no time zone. Depending on browser support, a time picker can show up in the input field. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly. Let's get back to our document right here. As earlier we have discussed about the tile input. Now let's discuss about something else, which is label for what? We need time, right? Time app. So let's just write um, time input so we can know what we are. This is just the label. You can check our previous tutorial on all this. I've discussed everything I'm using right here. I've discussed about it, so you can be able to understand. We are using time right here, but this one they are not useful for now. Let's remove it. We'll use it later. Let's reload our document. As you can see, we are having this. So let's break our document so it can look neat. BR times 2. Let's save it our document again. Can you see it's looking nice now, and we can write anytime we want. 2 a.m. You can write dot dot. Can you see? 02. You can write 0408 or anytime you can write. Understand? And you can pick. You can use PM also. If you specify, if you write P, it will automatically generate PM for you. So and you can submit this, and it will go. So that's the benefit of using it. So when you submit it, it will go. So let me show you that let me confirm it for you. That let me just use name and specify time here so you can see time input. Time input. I'm just writing this so you can be able to see what I'm doing clearly. Let's submit. Can you see? We are having our time. Can you see? The time we specify time input 1422. So right here now. Uh, because my laptop time is different, that's why you are seeing all this. So as you can see, whatever we specify will show. So that's the benefit of using. Don't get confused of what I'm seeing in my browser because of I'm using some VPN random things inside my browser that will make my time zone look somehow. So that's why it's not like that. So let's say for instance we open this in our Google Chrome. You are going to see how it will look in Google Chrome. When you click this, as you can see, you can automatically click time right here. As you can see, we are seeing. So it depends on the browser, depend on what you see. When you use different browser, you can have any different look in all these things, and the input is also adding there. As you can see inside our time input right here, we are able to see the time we selected. So that's what I'm telling you guys. So in the next tutorial, we are going to talk about another thing. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Until the next. Bye bye.